All right, what's up, y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and it's time for another snak-a-giz. Check out how I make my breakfast empanada. Let's get to it. First, we're going to melt down 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once it's nice and foamy, add half a diced white onion. Saute on medium-low heat. After 5 minutes, add 4 cloves of garlic. After 5 minutes, you want to add in a pound of ground pork. Break it up like taco meat. Now you want to come in with your seasonings. Goya adobo, tablespoon and a half of that. Then you want to come in with Goya Sazonador Todo, the perfect seasoning with black pepper. About a tablespoon of that. Keep doing this until the meat is cooked thoroughly. Once your meat is cooked, you want to drain out a lot of the oil. So what I like to do is do this. Put some paper towel in there and let it soak it up. Once you got most of the grease out of there, put back on the heat to crisp up. Once that meat is brown, set it to the side to cool off a bit. Start working on this chorizo. So we got this chorizo done. Then we're going to come in with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once that's almost melted all the way, we're going to come in with 7 eggs. We're going to keep this moving the whole time on low heat to get them eggs nice and silky. So with a little patience and constant movement on low heat, this is the texture you want with that egg and chorizo. So now we got that chorizo out the way. Let's get to working on these potatoes. First, one of my favorite ingredients, Little Caesars butter garlic dip. Once that's getting hot, come in with them potatoes now. Make sure you rotate them bad boys so they can get coated in that oil. So we got them going a little bit. We're gonna put a little seasoning. And since we got a lot of salt in the seasonings we already used, we're gonna go ahead and roll with this Eddie Rice Sweet Charlene. I know it's a barbecue seasoning, but boy, you ain't lived until you tried it on some straight up breakfast potatoes. Be sure to put a lid on your potatoes so they can hurry up and get nice and soft. And then you want to make sure you come in here and rotate them. So I got the texture I want, nice and soft. As you can see, and those are good. But this is something a little untraditional. We'll drizzle just a little syrup on there. So these potatoes are cooled. The ground pork mixture is cool. The chorizo and eggs is cool. So since they all cool, let's get to stacking them up. So I got these Goya empanada shells, and these are the ones for bacon. I like these. These are real good. So this is what we're gonna do. All right, first we're gonna get a base layer of potato right there in the middle. Then I'm coming with some chorizo and egg. Next, slice of American cheese. Then we're coming in with our other meat mixture. We're gonna clean all that up. Then I'm gonna come in with my top layer and fit it around. Sure you smash it down. Get the edges connected. And come in with your fork. Seal that up. And I'm gonna come back around and fold it up like that. And I'm gonna come back and crimp him up again. All right, so I'm done. You know, I took my time after the first 2. I got the hang of it, got a little rhythm going. And I'm trying to tell you, this is definitely going to be worth all that. I sprayed them with some of this vegetable spray right here, non-stick, sprayed up underneath them, and then sprayed the top of them. Got them on some parchment paper, So I got the oven preheated at 375. The packets say 18 to 20 minutes. So I'm saying about 25 minutes. So yeah, let's get these bad boys in there and so we can get to some good old eating. All right, so we done. Just like I thought, 25 minutes, 20, I would say 29 in total because I turned on the broiler just to get some color. We got some nice color from that. And these bad boys are still hot. Bottom, nice and good. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm going to let these cool off. Then we're going to cut into one and get a bite. Okay, so that cooled down enough. If we hear the crunch. All right, that's what we got in there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You see the potato. You see the chorizo and egg. You see the American cheese in there. And then you see the ground pork and onion mixture. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Nice layers of flavor. Let's try this out. I did that to see the steam will come out. That is really good. You taste each layer. You taste the potatoes with that sweet Charlene. You taste the chorizo and egg. You taste the American cheese. And then you got that pork coming in seasoned up with that Goya. Let me get that off my lip. Yo, try this recipe out. If you do, let me know what's up. Other than that, appreciate y'all checking me out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share this video. Follow me on Instagram, NotAllSmoke78. Follow me on TikTok, Not All Smoke. This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan. Y'all be cool. One.